8 gun oil brands on the market right now make the same promise. Protect your rifle, keep it running, season after season. 3 of them deliver on that promise. 5 of them are collecting your money and doing something else with it. The average hunter buys gun oil based on what is on the shelf at Cabela's, or what the guy at the gun counter recommended. That recommendation is almost always wrong. Not because the product fails completely, because a better product at half the price is sitting on a shelf the counter guy never points to. Vernon Mack spent 38 years as an independent firearms maintenance consultant for law enforcement departments and hunting outfitters across the Southeast. He never worked for a brand. He never took a contract from a gun oil company. He retired in 2200. Over 38 years, Vernon tested every major gun oil on the market under real field conditions, not lab conditions, not range conditions, the conditions hunters actually face. Cold mornings, wet stands, truck beds at 10 below, salt air on coastal hunts. 8 brands ranked worst to best by one standard only. Does the oil do what the label claims under the conditions hunters actually encounter? We start at the bottom. Number 8. Lucas Gun Oil. Lucas built its reputation in the automotive industry. Red, viscous, clingy, those qualities work well on an engine. On a hunting rifle, they create a different set of problems. Forum reports on Pew Pew Tactical and 24-Hour Campfire document a consistent issue across recent batches: a faint grape-like scent in the formula. Hunters who spend significant effort controlling their scent profile, storing clothing in sealed bags, changing boots on arrival, running scent elimination protocols, are applying an oil to their rifle that a white-tailed deer can detect at distance. The second issue is reapplication frequency. Lucas Gun Oil is noted in multiple forum comparisons for needing more frequent application than competing products at similar price points. A hunter applying oil before the season and returning to the stand in December is working with protection that is already degraded. $8 for 4 ounces of a product that smells like a grape lollipop in a deer stand. Real gun oil protects the metal. The rest protects the marketing budget. Number 7. Break-Free CLP in its current commercial formula. This one requires context because Break-Free CLP has 2 identities. The original military specification formula was adopted by the United States Armed Forces and proven across decades of combat use. Former military shooters on Blade Forums and 1911 Forum document the same shift. The formula changed after the military contract ended. The current commercial version is significantly thinner than the original mil-spec product. A thin formula slings off under rapid cycling, leaves inadequate film thickness under sustained use, and attracts carbon fouling that turns into a paste under heat. Vernon's documented finding after field testing the current commercial formula across multiple hunting seasons: adequate for light maintenance in controlled conditions, inadequate for the sustained protection a hunting rifle needs from October through January. The reputation belongs to a formula most hunters are no longer buying. $11 for 4 ounces of a product coasting on a military legacy it no longer earns in its current form. Real gun oil protects the metal. The rest protects the marketing budget. Number 6. Militech. 1. The marketing angle is compelling. The Secret Service uses it. Combat veterans swear by it. The application instructions tell a different story. Militech 1 requires heat activation. The manufacturer instructs users to apply the product and then heat the metal surface with a hairdryer or direct sunlight so the synthetic conditioners bond to the metal. In a gun shop, that is a workable protocol. In a hunting camp at 5 in the morning before first light, it is not. Independent corrosion tests documented on Bob is the Oil Guy forums show Militech 1 providing below-average rust protection compared to CLP-based products. A hunter in coastal marsh conditions, salt air, morning fog, and sustained moisture needs oil that bonds to metal without requiring a heat gun. Militech 1 does not deliver that without the activation process most hunters never complete. Real gun oil protects the metal. The rest protects the marketing budget. Number 5. Hornady One Shot. The aerosol format is the appeal. Fast, convenient, covers the entire action in seconds. The chemistry inside the can is the problem. Aerosol gun products are diluted with carrier solvents to enable spray delivery. The solvent is what comes out of the can first and evaporates fastest. What remains after the solvent evaporates is a thinner concentration of lubricant than the label suggests. Vernon's field testing showed Hornady One Shot adequate for light cleaning, but insufficient as a standalone lubricant for a hunting rifle that will sit in a gun safe for 60 days and need to perform on the first cold. Warning of the season. A product optimized for convenience at the range is not optimized for protection and long-term storage. The format is the limitation. $12 for a spray that costs more per ounce of actual lubricant than any liquid oil in this ranking. Real gun oil protects the metal. The rest protects the marketing budget. Before we get to the top 4, the complete gun oil testing protocol Vernon used for 38 years is documented inside the Hunter's Vault, linked below. Chapter 2 covers every oil on this list, what the chemistry actually does, and the surfaces each product should never touch. Chapter 8 covers long-term storage and cold weather protection for every hunting condition below freezing. Point your camera at the QR code in the bottom right, or find the link in the description. But stay right here, because the top 4 are where the real separation happens. Number 4. Sentry Solutions. TUF-GLIDE, the first honest product in this ranking. Dry film lubricant technology means it does not attract dust, carbon, or lint the way wet oils do. In cold weather, it does not thicken. In warm weather, it does not migrate off the surfaces it was applied to. Forum documentation on sniper's hide confirms consistent positive results in sub-zero conditions, where wet oils fail. Vernon's field testing validated those results across multiple cold weather hunting seasons. The limitation is price. TUF-GLIDE retails at approximately $15 for a small bottle. The dry film technology delivers real performance, but 3 products in this ranking deliver comparable or superior results for significantly less money. It earns 4th place for honesty. Real gun oil protects the metal. The rest protects the marketing budget. Number 3. Ballistol, 1904. The Technical University of Karlsruhe, Germany. One formula, 120 years of documented field use. The German Imperial Army needed one product for the metal of the rifle, the wood of the stock, and the leather of the soldier's gear. Dr. Helmut Clever solved that problem in 1904. The formula has not changed. NATO supply number, still issued to military units in Europe today. The chemistry that makes Ballistol earn 3rd place is its alkaline pH. Most gun oils are pH neutral. They clean around powder fouling. Ballistol chemically neutralizes the acidic residue left by smokeless powder. It breaks the fouling down rather than pushing it aside. $8 for 6 ounces. Real gun oil protects the metal. The rest protects the marketing budget. Number 2. Breakthrough Battleborn HP, 100% synthetic formula. Published safety data sheet listing every ingredient, minus 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 417 degrees Fahrenheit operating range. Odorless. For hunters, those 4 specifications solve 4 problems simultaneously. Full synthetic means it will not thicken at temperatures that freeze wet oils in place. Published SDS means every claim is verifiable by any hunter willing to look. 417 degrees sealing means it will not break down under sustained barrel heat. Odorless means a whitetail deer downwind of your stand is not detecting your rifle maintenance. $12 for 2 ounces, the most technically capable hunting-specific oil Vernon tested over 38 years. Every specification is published and verifiable. No marketing claims without data behind them. Real gun oil protects the metal. The rest protects the marketing budget. Number 1 on Vernon's list. Not a product most hunters have heard of. That is exactly why it is number 1. Radcolube CLP by Radco Industries, Batavia, Illinois. The United States military currently issues Radcolube CLP as the standard cleaner, lubricant, and protectant for small arms. United States Marine Corps documentation lists it for use on the M4 rifle, M16, M240 machine gun, and the M250 Browning. It is not a product positioned for the civilian market. It does not have an end cap at Bass Pro Shops. It does not sponsor hunting podcasts. Vernon documented the same results across field testing that the military documented in its selection process. Full temperature range performance, no scent residue, genuine cleaning and protection in a single application, no aerosol dilution, no proprietary activation process. Apply it, spread it, and the rifle is protected. Approximately $12 to $15 for a 4-ounce bottle. Available directly online. The product the military chose when the decision was based on performance rather than shelf placement. Real gun oil protects the metal. The rest protects the marketing budget. Vernon's complete ranking. Number 8. Lucas Gun Oil. Grape scent in recent batches. Needs frequent reapplication. Wrong product for a deer stand. Number 7. Break-Free CLP current formula. Reformulated. Too thin. Coasting on a military legacy that belongs to a different product. Number 6. Militech 1 requires heat activation, below average corrosion protection without the full protocol. Number 5. Hornady One Shot. Aerosol dilution means less lubricant than the label suggests, built for convenience, not for protection. Number 4. Sentry Solutions TUF-GLIDE. Honest dry film technology. Real cold weather performance. Priced above its value tier. Number 3. Ballistol. 1904. Alkaline chemistry that breaks down fouling instead of pushing it aside. $8. Number 2. Breakthrough Battleborn HP. Full synthetic. Published specs. Odorless. Minus 90 to 417 degrees. Number 1. Radcolube CLP. Current United States military standard. No shelf presence. No marketing budget. Full field performance. The math on a hunting season. A hunter running Lucas Gun Oil and Hornady One Shot through a full maintenance cycle spends approximately $60 to $70 per year. The same hunter running Ballistol and Radcolube CLP spends under $30. The rifles finish the season in better condition. The wallet finishes the season with $40 still in it. Across all 8 products, one pattern holds. The oils at the top of every Cabela's end cap have marketing budgets. The oils at the top of this ranking have performance data. Those are not the same thing. The counter guy recommends what the rep pushed hardest that quarter. Vernon recommends what kept firearms running for 38 years without a single brand contract. The complete testing protocol, application method, and seasonal maintenance schedule Vernon used for 38 years is documented inside the Hunter's Vault. Linked below. Chapter 2 covers every oil on this ranking, what surfaces each product should and should not touch, and how much to apply. Chapter 8 covers cold weather protocols for every hunting condition below freezing. Point your camera at the QR code in the bottom right, or find the link in the description. Real gun oil protects the metal. The rest protects the marketing budget. Drop a comment with the oil you have been running and whether it has ever let you down in cold weather or coastal conditions. The hunter reading below might find the answer he has been looking for. Next week, we are back with another $0 fix that the industry has been quietly burying for decades.